Hello and welcome back in the Gourmet Gambit, and today it's all about the vanilla bean, which is for me one of the most extraordinary spices. I'm Wes, welcome to the Spice Files. And before we're going to start, here is some history and some information about the qualities and the grades of vanilla. So I don't present all the vanillas here, I just present some important ones, the ones you're going to use mostly in your kitchen. And we're going to start off with the Mexican vanilla, and this is the most closest to the original vanilla that was used by the Aztecs and the Mayans centuries ago. So this is a high quality vanilla. It was actually important to the islands of Madagascar as well, and is now known there as the Pomona vanilla. These are what we call the Bourbon vanilla. Originally they come from the French island of the Reunion, which was called the Bourbon Island before. This orchid was imported by the French to Madagascar as well, and it's one of the most important productions on that island now. These come from the Reunion Island, and here it comes to a whole different type of vanilla. This is the Tahitian vanilla, also called the Tahitensis vanilla. Most of the other vanillas come from the flatleaf orchid, which is not the case of the Tahitian vanilla that comes from the Tahitensis. So as you can see, they're much larger as the other vanillas, and they're very high on the classification of vanillas. These vanillas have a very complex flavor, and the highest quality comes from the Bora Bora Island. And here it comes to the Madagascar vanillas, and this is the highest quality, also called the black vanilla or gourmet quality. As you can see, it is very supple. It does not break. It is really a high quality vanilla. Now to show you the difference, this is also a Madagascar vanilla, but this is a B grade vanilla, which is still a black vanilla, so still a high quality, one that doesn't break. Of course it is smaller, but it's still a good quality vanilla. Once you have used your vanilla beans for pastry or ice cream or whatever, never throw them away. These are still full of flavors. So what you can do is to let them dry on some paper towel for a few days, and once they're really dry you can ground them into vanilla powder, which is quite expensive on the market. But really I prefer to keep them to make my vanilla extract, and that is so easy to make, my friends. All you need is some alcohol of 40 degrees. That's the same alcohol we use to preserve cherries or other fruits. So we're just going to put them all in the bottle. Here you go. So every time you use beans, put them in there, and all you need to do is forget about your little bottle for a few months, and then you get some vanilla extract from real beans and not the chemical ones. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was useful for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and hit that bell. It's a great motivation for me. And as this story ends, my dear friends, all that's left to say, bon appetit and see you back soon.